Tony Ann?
How should I reach it? Let's proceed.
It's not fair, right, Miss Lucille?
Shepherd, everything alright?
Me will deal with this.
Try just let me just talk.
Oh, at 3 days now, I try to get in touch with her, you know.
Lord Jesus, something wrong with Tony and I don't know what. Tell me.
You come at the wrong church.